Lawrence, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very much good, better, and I have no words to express my happiness and joy.
It's been 3 weeks, right?
Yes,
And you're very happy with your recovery?
I'm very much happy with my recovery.
Rosa, what do you feel? How's your husband shaping up?
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm really proud of him because he's getting fit now.
So I have heard that there are a lot of people who are asking him about his recovery.
Yes, in the reception we were sitting, looking at him, they were asking him and tell him.
Yeah, how many days it has been? I said it is just 3 weeks. So how come you have come to see the doctor once again? I said I don't know, from my side I have done my work, but doctor has done the miracle. That much I can say. So both the parts are required to do work equally.
Absolutely.
This is what I told them.
Absolutely. So what I understand, it's been 3 weeks for your robotic knee replacement. You're walking, you're climbing stairs, and you don't need any support,
No
and you
support, no
don't need any painkillers also, right?
No pain.
You have not taken painkillers
No
also.
painkiller for the last 15 days.
Wow, that's great. Thank you.